Hey guys, Gibby with Fire Bros Garage. We're at Dino's Get Down today at Quick Lift USA. We just purchased one of their new compressors. We're going to put it in Dwayne's shop. We're going to unbox it and show you how to use it. Here's Ryan to tell us more.
So this is our 6 horsepower 4-in-1. We offer them from 6 horsepower all the way up to 20 horsepower. And even if you want to get up to the really large commercial units, we have 50 horsepower units available. So you can run your sandblasters, your small paint booths, really anything air related, these things are perfect for. Air compressors are just one part of our company. We also offer automotive lifts, 4-posts, 2-posts, garage cabinets, all kinds of stuff. So
how long have you guys been in business? And you guys are in Gilbert, Arizona.
We're out of Gilbert, Arizona. So we've been doing lifts and compressors for about 3 years now. We all come from a strong automotive background, and we're automotive enthusiasts at heart. So it's not just a job; it's a passion. Really, locally owned and operated, family ran. It's what we do for fun. We enjoy it. So.
All right, guys, it's Dwayne from Fire Bros. We got it put in. It is sitting on dollies right now. We'll probably get them off of that, right? Once we get everything put back. But it's so smooth. It runs so quiet. It's crazy. It doesn't move around like an old school compressor does. It can sit on these rollers and it doesn't even move. But you can see we had a service outlet put in. But right now I'm with Nick from Ironside Electric. Nick came and took care of this stuff. So Nick, when you want to give me the kind of just the down and dirty on what you did?
We just added a 50 amp circuit, dropped it down to a 3-prong 50 amp receptacle, added an SO cord to connect so it's movable if need be.
Okay. Yeah, and once he got this all done, we hooked it up and talked with Victor from Quick Lift, and he kind of walked us through the parameters. We were getting a high voltage code. He kind of showed us how that would work, and we readjusted everything and over the phone, and we fired it up and it ran awesome. And you can see that Nick ran the cord into here, and then it comes into the panel there on the inside, and it works great. So we're gonna see if we can get it to fire up. There you go. Standing next to it, talking. That's as loud as it gets. It's a progressive pump, so it fires up, it starts building PSI, and you can see it. So it's maxed out its PSI, and that's all there is to it. Screw compressor, man, that's the way to go.